Bonjour, Mauritius. Good morning. So this time we are having our breakfast here at Anantara Eco Resort and Villas here in Mauritius.
Good morning.
So ayan, meron mga iba't ibang klase ng pagkain, Arabic, Indian, local food in Mauritius. There is a Chinese food and
Sarap naman ng bacon
there is a continental dishes. So, ayan guys, enjoy nyo lang guys. So, yan, this area is Arabic food, so you can choose your like there's a bread, paratas like that. So, ayan,
Dylan,
sa mga
may
kids naman, so there's a cereals para sa
Ay,
mga bata.
ayun.
And ayan, there's also a dessert like that. So keep watching guys kasi marami pang mga videos akong ipapanood sa inyo. So ayan, this section is I think it's Arabic food. So thank you guys for watching. Keep subscribe, likes and comments. Bye.